talking us through the US equity market, we have with us Pierre Mouton, portfolio manager with Notz and Stucki. Pierre, first of all.
Hi, Sam.
Hi. US equity ETFs have brought in more cash in October than the rest of the year combined. What can we expect now?
Well, first of all, it has to be put back in place because the first part of the year has been very, very low in terms of inflows and in terms of volatility. So maybe October is a month with positive inflows, but it's still okay in terms of volume, so nothing spectacular. So I wouldn't expect anything particular from this inflows in October. That's not extreme, and as well as we didn't see extreme numbers in the first part of the year.
Okay. What about the US market then? It's rebounded sharply, actually close to historical highs we're seeing at the moment. Are you expecting a bull run now, or investors to stay cautious?
Well, on a very short term, I would be quite cautious because the market seems a little bit overextended. The month of October has been spectacular. Since the beginning of November, it's been quite okay as well. But I mean, nothing has changed really in terms of economic environment. We just know that the Fed should raise interest rates in December. And now we have had the earnings season behind us, or we are in the midst of the earnings season. So there is nothing specific that should help the markets going up much higher than what it has done already from now. So on the short-term basis, I would be a little bit more cautious. There might be some volatility and some wobbling from the market. But on the long-term basis, I'm still very confident in the US market because the economy is doing fine. Interest rates will remain low. The companies in the US are very, very efficient. So that should be there's still a long way to go for the US market.
Okay, let's have a look at the European equity market then. It's been performing quite well since late August, but is sustainability still a long way off?
It's very difficult to say because the difference with the US market, the European market is not homogeneous. You have different markets, different countries, different economic situations. And in my view and in our view at Notz Stucki, there is value, there is real value in the European markets. We've seen some countries that are doing quite well in terms of economic recovery, like Spain, Portugal, Ireland, for example. But some other countries are in more difficult situation, like France, like Italy, like maybe Germany. Germany used to be the poster child of the economic strength in Europe, but it's a little bit different now because its exposure to emerging markets might affect the corporate profits in Germany, and we don't know to what extent the Volkswagen scandal will affect the corporates in Germany. So yes, we are positive on Europe, but you have to be very selective, and once again, it's just a question of selecting the right companies in the right countries eventually, but you can't say that you are positive just on an overall market. You have to be very selective. Okay.
Yeah, thank you very much for your insight.
Thank you.
And thank you for watching. Be sure to click back to Dukascopy TV for more updates and exclusive interviews. We'll see you next time.